Hello everyone, my name is Chirag Singh and today I'm going to start a new series, and this series name is Cypress Testing Framework. So today agenda is what is a Cypress Testing Framework, and I will explain you what is a Cypress Testing Framework and give a brief introduction of it, and we just end of the video we just have a look of Cypress Testing Framework, what is its features, and at the end of this video I will run one test scripts and will show you how this test scripts will run, right? So what is a Cypress Testing Framework? So Cypress Testing Framework is a JavaScript framework, right? And by using this framework we can automate our UI websites, right? So UI web application we can automate this. So why we need Cypress Testing Framework? First question is this, and this very important question. As you can see that Selenium WebDriver has grabbed the market and it is a very good tool. So why we need Cypress? So basically this Cypress has its own concept to run test scripts, as Selenium WebDriver use JSON protocol to run their test scripts. So Cypress use its own mechanisms. It's run test scripts within the browser. So by using Selenium WebDriver, we have to first hit the server, and server send the request to browser, and browser just do the action. But in Cypress just run all the steps within the DOM and within the browser. So this is the major difference between Selenium WebDriver and Cypress. And Cypress is very fast and it provides lots of features which Selenium WebDriver does not provide yet. So let me show you one thing. So this is the thing, right? So apart Selenium WebDriver there are few tools, but they all using Selenium WebDriver protocol. So there are protector, all these things, but Cypress provide its unique features in it. So you can see that before Cypress there are number of framework, number of assertion libraries, Selenium, all these. So Cypress give a bundle, as you can see, all in one testing framework, right? So it provide all the bundle in one testing framework, all without Selenium, and this is very important. Cypress provides. So I use this tool and I shocked when I run that the test scripts are very fast and it is very easy. You have to just install Cypress in your system and start developing your test script without take any other libraries or any other tools help. So this is the thing. 7 ways Cypress is different. First, Cypress does not use Selenium. As I said, it has own new architect. So Cypress does not use any Selenium jar. This second, Cypress focus on doing end-to-end testing. There are 7 ways which is different. Cypress test only written in JavaScript. So this is the thing, and let me show you one more thing. This is a feature which Cypress provides. So first, provide time travel. So I will show you what's a time travel, real-time reloads, and stuff. Provide stuff concepts, consistent result. As Cypress does not use Selenium driver, so it has own weight concept in it. So the result is consistent in when we compare with Selenium WebDriver. So debugging is very easy in Cypress. Automatic wait, as I already discussed with you, that its use are automatic waits and network traffic control. So by using stub we can control our network traffic and screenshots and videos. So we do not need any extra code to capture a screenshot or create a video. So basically Cypress has two features. First is Cypress runner and second is dashboard service. So I will show you both feature one by one. Firstly, I am going to show you how Cypress framework looks. So this is the Cypress framework, and this is the all the test scripts which has Cypress provides, and we can write our own Cypress test scripts, and this is a test runner. So this is, by using this we can run our test scripts manually. Yes, we can run the test script through command line, and we can run our test scripts manually also. So by choosing browsers, currently in new version Cypress also provides Firefox browser, and currently I'm going to show you Chrome. So by just double click on this test script, you can see that Cypress starts to run our test scripts. So you can see that now URL is hit by Cypress, and it is start running the test scripts. So you can see it is running very fast test steps, as you can see that all the test scripts getting passed, and it is running very fast as compared with Selenium WebDriver. So these all the feature which Cypress provide, and we will are going to discuss all these features one by one in upcoming video. So if you just click on this, so this is the visit, this is the example, this is the URL. If I click on every step, then it provide me a screenshot, right? So you can see how it is changing the screenshot in at the left part of my screen, right? So this is the automatic, it takes a screenshot, and by using this feature we can easily debug our failure test case. So this is the test run feature, and another powerful feature is the dashboard service. So this is the dashboard service, you can see the dashboard service, and this is my user. So in these test scripts, when we run through a recorder or command line by passing record parameter, then all test scripts record in our dashboard. So you can see they provide the output, and they provide the videos. If any test scripts fail, it provide the screenshot. Let me open this video. So this is the video for the google.js my test scripts, and you can see all the video is captured by Cypress automatically. We do not need any code for that. So this is all the magic which Cypress do for us. And if you can see that all two tests passed, or which machine, one machine, and all give all the features timelines. So all it provide all the things, so we can analyze our test cases run. So this is the dashboard service. So we are going to discuss all these features in upcoming video. So stay tuned with me for the Cypress automation tool. So thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, take care.